Hello, in this video I'm going to be unboxing the LED disco light from the Dollar Tree. It didn't really come in a box, so I'm not going to actually unbox it, but just show what it looks like. This is what the side looks like. This is what the top looks like. And this is what the bottom looks like. It has a on-off switch and a battery compartment, and it requires 3 AAA batteries. This is what it looks like with the battery compartment open. It did not come with batteries. I put those batteries in myself. There are 3 AAA batteries. It was kind of hard to get the door off the battery compartment, so I used a little screwdriver. It made it easier to remove the door. This is what it looks like when it's just dim in the room with the drapes pulled. This is what it looks like on the ceiling when it's just dim in here. The drapes are pulled, so it's not very dark. This is what it looks like in the dark. This is the top. This is what it looks like on the ceiling in the dark. The LED disco light that I got was $1.25 from the Dollar Tree, and I couldn't find it online. I'm not sure if all Dollar Trees have this, so your Dollar Tree may or may not have it, I don't know. But I found one online that looks similar, but this one is a Bluetooth disco LED speaker, and this one online is $5, so this is not the one that I bought. The one that I bought was $1.25. I like the LED disco light. I don't think you could have much more fun than this for $1.25. And I think this is going to make my next disco party great.